Hello everyone, it's Hilmi. For your information, I have cleaned up my bedroom and now I would like to show you my bedroom, and this is my bedroom tour. Because I'm alone, so I'm vlogging right now. First, because I'm human, I need to drink and eat. Like you can see on the floor, there is a magic comb and mineral water gallon. Next to mineral water gallon, there is small bed. On the bed, there is a pillow. I think I sleep well every night on my bed. Next, okay, there is a quote mean don't forget to take break and get some water. And there is a window. Oh yeah, there is a desk and chair on the corner of this room. It's my workspace. Come. I'm studying here, working, a lot of deadline like you can see. And there is also a closet beside my desk. And there are a lot of things on top of my closet. Like you can see is toiletries, mirror, say hey, hey. Drinking bottle, umbrella, and wristwatch, but I never use it. I had it. Being too formal is not my style. And some books. And at least but not least, this is my bag. And there is a guitar. I'm still learning to play it, but until now I can play it. I hate that guitar. Okay, what's again? Oh, on the floor you can see there is my favorite fan. Yep, I think it's enough. Out of my bedroom is small, but it's very comfortable for me. Thank you for coming and stay at home.